Okay, alright guys, what I love about Solaire is when you go to this floor where the theater is, the decorations are amazing, especially the paintings, not to mention the carpet. Pero ang ganda-ganda talaga kung nakikita nyo yung mga paintings. So I'd like to concentrate on the paintings na naka-display dito. Ang lalaki, para siyang mural. So makikita nyo dito sa bandang ito, this side, very colorful, this abstract expressionism. So let's go around and take that, yung triple paintings. So, this way, nakikita natin yung mga rooms, yung forum. Dito ginanap yung Oktoberfest launch. But, as I said, let's concentrate on the paintings that are displayed here. Kita yung painting ang lalaki. At magaganda. And we're going down. So this, pati sa walls na to, ang daming paintings. Pati dyan, kita nyo dyan, parang siyang mural. Nakalagay ba yung pangalan ng painter?
Ano po?
Yung pangalan ng painter, wala.
Diyan. Nakasulat po yan dyan sa...
Dito. So like this, parang futuristic kasi parang E.T. yung nandun. Okay. So, ito yung name ng painter for this. Dex. This one is very big, pero naka-bubble wrap. Bakit? Hindi pa, no? Hindi pa for display?
Bukas po kakagaling po.
Okay. So, very soon, the bubble wrap will be removed. And dito, we have another big painting here. Nakikita niyo yung color niya. Let's take a look kung may name. Very futuristic din. Pati dito, let's go around. So the walls are not boring. Kaganda ng paintings. This one is very nice. That's in 2014. So if you appreciate art, so para siyang gallery. So kikita natin dito yung neon colors. Ma-appreciate natin. So we go down now. Oh, sige, I know. Ito yung garden. Yung dating video ko kasi hindi ko nakita yung garden. Hindi ko napakita. Pero dito, those are live plants. It's very nice. Sana yan. So, ay, ipakita ang casino. Pero okay lang. Let's go on. So, they allow us to take videos except the casino part. Pero sa Okada pwede. Pero dito sa Solaire, ayaw nila. So, nandito yung mga luxury stores. These are all live plants. Hindi siya plastic. So, doon tayo galing sa theater. So dito sa part na to, meron pa rin painting. So talagang parang siyang gallery. Malaking gallery. You can appreciate it. More shops there. Okay, ito naman yung sculpture. More of the luxury shops. So this is the Water Garden Cafe or Oasis. Isa to sa pinakamagandang part. So let's go near. Refreshing man-made waterfalls.